English Bulgarian. I will do.
Ще направя.
Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey you, great to have you here. Let's make Bulgarian future tense fun and easy together. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart way to speak boldly. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and practice decks. Ready to say and play with.
Правя.
Let's go. Your goal today. Today you master the future of to do, make in Bulgarian. Repeat out loud and smile. I will do.
Ще направя.
You, SG, will do.
Ще правиш.
He will do.
Той ще направи.
She will do.
Тя ще прави.
It will make.
То ще направи.
Base verb, do, make.
Правя.
You, plural, formal, will do.
Ще правите.
They will do.
Те ще правят.
Funny mini scene. Let's laugh and learn, listen, then echo the Bulgarian line. You, my future plan is simple. I will do it.
Ще направя.
Friend, bold. And you, singular, tomorrow you will do the shopping.
Ще правиш.
Narrator. Meanwhile, the fixer arrives. He will do the repair.
Той ще направи.
You, and our hero's teammate? She will do the emails.
Тя ще прави.
Tech. Press this button, it will make everything brighter.
То ще направи.
Coach. As for the base verb, remember, do, make equals.
Правя.
Coach. Team, you, plural, will do the checklist.
Ще правите.
Crowd. Don't worry, tomorrow they will do it all.
Те ще правят.
Pronunciation beat. Clap the rhythm and repeat after me, nice and loud. 1 to 2. I will do.
Ще направя.
1 to 2. You will do.
Ще правиш.
1, 2, 3. He will do.
Той ще направи.
1, 2, 3. She will do.
Тя ще прави.
Pop. It will make.
То ще направи.
Base. Do, make.
Правя.
Squad call. You, plural, will do.
Ще правите.
Final chant. They will do.
Те ще правят.
Quick drills. Your turn, answer instantly. Trust your tongue. Say, you will do, SG.
Ще правиш.
Say, he will do.
Той ще направи.
Say, she will do.
Тя ще прави.
Say, it will make.
То ще направи.
Say the base verb, do, make.
Правя.
Say, you will do, plural.
Ще правите.
Say, they will do.
Те ще правят.
Bonus. Say, I will do.
Ще направя.
Culture tip. Do versus make. Here's a powerful tip you'll use every day. Bulgarian often uses the same verb for do and make.
Правя.
In the future, you'll often hear the perfective for single, completed actions. I will do it, and finish it, equals.
Ще направя.
He will do it, equals.
Той ще направи.
For ongoing or habitual future, use the imperfective, she will do, regularly, equals.
Тя ще прави.
Tools and buttons? Perfect for causation, it will make, equals.
То ще направи.
Quiz time. Pop quiz. Say the Bulgarian before I reveal it. Q1, translate. I will do. A.
Ще направя.
Q2, translate. You, SG, will do. A.
Ще правиш.
Q3, translate. He will do. A.
Той ще направи.
Q4, translate. She will do. A.
Тя ще прави.
Q5, translate. It will make. A.
То ще направи.
Q6, base verb, do, make. A.
Правя.
Q7, translate. You, plural, will do. A.
Ще правите.
Q8, translate. They will do. A.
Те ще правят.
Daily challenge. Record yourself and nail the rhythm. Say all forms in one breath, 2 beats each.
Ще направя. Ще правиш. Той ще направи. Тя ще прави. То ще направи. Правя. Ще правите. Те ще правят.
Now use each in your own funny sentence. Make yourself smile, you'll remember better. Thanks and next steps. You did great, future you is proud already. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these forms daily, share the episode with a study buddy, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more podcasts, drills, and printables. Until next time, keep saying.
Правя.
And keep doing.